which is question number 71. Let's read it. Potassium superoxide KO2 is, student, KO2, that is potassium superoxide, contains O2 minus anion, which is having an odd electron. That means this particular species is paramagnetic. Also, the superoxides are colored, and the color of potassium superoxide is orange red. So, KO2 is paramagnetic and colorless? No. Potassium oxide KO2 is paramagnetic and colored? Correct. Diamagnetic and colored? No. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to next question, which is question number 72. Element having highest reducing nature in aqueous solution among the following is, student, we all know that lesser is the value of standard reduction potential for a species, more will be its reducing nature. So I'm writing the data of their E naught values, that is standard reduction potential values, and then we'll be able to figure out that which particular element has the highest reducing nature. So student, here I'm writing beryllium, then magnesium, then calcium, strontium and barium, and the values are, here I'm writing E naught M2 plus 2M, the value is minus 1.97, then minus 2.36, minus 2.84, minus 2.89, minus 2.92. That means the correct answer is option number 4. Barium will have the highest reducing nature in aqueous solution among alkaline earth metals. So the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to next question, which is question number 73. Let's read it. Select the incorrect statement among the following. NaCl is hygroscopic due to presence of impurities of MgCl2 and CaCl2. Student, this is the correct statement. NaCl can be used as preservatives for pickles. This is also a correct statement. Moving to next, NaOH can absorb CO2 from air and form sodium carbonate. This is also a correct statement. Moving to last, crystals of NaOH is not deliquescent in nature. Student, this is an incorrect statement as crystals of NaOH is deliquescent in nature. That means the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to next question, which is question number 74. Select the correct statements which are related to anomalous behavior of beryllium in second group. Number 1, melting and boiling point of beryllium is highest. Correct. Number 2, its polarizing power is highest. This is also a correct statement. As we all know that smaller the size of cation, more will be its polarizing power. And as we all know that the size of beryllium ion is smallest in case of its alkaline earth metals. Therefore, its polarizing power is highest. Last is, it has strong tendency to form complexes. This is also a correct statement as the metal ion of higher charge density will have more complex formation tendency. That means the correct statement is option number 4. That means all the 3 statements are correct. So here I'm writing answer is option number 4. Moving to next, which is question number 75. Let's read it. Select the element having maximum enthalpy of atomization among the following. Student, stronger is the metallic bonding, larger is the enthalpy of atomization. Due to smallest size of lithium ion, it involves strongest metallic bonding. That means lithium has the highest enthalpy of atomization. So the correct answer is option number 1. Moving to next,